Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla has urged the citizens of Manipur to blend traditional wisdom with modern science to create a resilient, green and sustainable future. He was speaking at the grand finale of 76th Van Mahotsav Celebration 2025, organized by the Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and Head of Forest Force at City Convention Centre, Palace Compound, Imphal. Speaking further, Ajay Kumar Bhalla emphasized the importance of celebrating Van Mahotsav, stating that it marks the reaffirmation of respect for nature and deep responsibility to preserve and protect the precious green belt of land. While noting that communities living in both hills and valley have been accustomed to traditional practices of conserving nature since generations, the governor expressed concern that deforestation, climate change and unsustainable exploitation have lately threatened the delicate ecological balance of the region, which is blessed with lush forests, rich biodiversity and unique ecological treasures. He also underscored Ek Peड़ Maa Ke Naam 2.0 initiative being taken up by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, stating that the mission encourages all to dedicate a tree to his or her mother.
Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam is a creative, visionary idea of our Prime Minister. Each child should plant a tree, then he own it up. It should rather grow along with the child. आप अपने घर में लगाइए तो the child should look after it. I'm so happy we have given some saplings to students. As a matter of this thing, we have been distributing free. Don't just treat it as a government scheme or a waste of this thing. Plant a tree, it's very useful. You take care of tree as part of your mother, or I would say as part of your growing up. So that is the idea and we should all get involved. Every tree absorbs carbon dioxide, supports biodiversity, helps your future of generations. So the whole idea is that Van Mahotsav should not be only a name, it should be involvement of individual human being into this whole